Hi kids, hello kids. If you like my channel, please subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon button. Today we are going to listen the story on the elephant and the ant. One day an elephant and ant went for a walk to the mountain top. The elephant was boasting about his weight. He said to the ant, if I were to fall on you, you would die. Suddenly, the earth shook and the ground beneath them gave away. Both of them fell off the mountain. The elephant fell hard and fractured his leg, but the ant gracefully floated down to where the elephant lay groaning. I think I am happy being so light, the ant said and called a doctor for the elephant. The moral of the story is about bigger is not always better. Thank you.